on today's video we have listed some terrible rear camera designs. Google Pixel 4. This smartphone from Google shares similar look with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, except for the camera positions on the top right side. In this black box camera zone, there are 3 cameras in the triangle positions and a flashlight at the bottom, and the sensor is faintly visible next to the flashlight. Nokia 9 PureView. Do you have a phobia of holes or trypophobia? If you have the phobia, you're probably not gonna like this Nokia 9 PureView design. The design of this smartphone sometimes reminds you of the spine-chilling photo. With 5 cameras on the back of the phone, it seems that Nokia can make a design that is more worthy of the Nokia 9 PureView. Samsung S4 Zoom. Next up is the Samsung S4 Zoom, which was first released in 2013. This smartphone has the camera technology that is different from the standard version. Imagine a pocket camera and a smartphone combined into one. Then the shape is more or less like a Samsung S4 Zoom. This Samsung smartphone has a camera that is relatively larger than most, especially with the camera feature that can extend like conventional camera lenses. Red Hydrogen 1. Red has always been a professional video camera brand with Hollywood film quality. However, it is not as well known as cell phone. At the end of 2018, Red released a smartphone with a camera technology that was quite unique, a camera with the holographic features. Unfortunately, the result of this camera are not as good as professional cameras. Sony Xperia X Z2. Well, if the design of the Sony Xperia X Z3 camera completely depends on how you look at it. Unlike other contemporary cell phones that use frames and dual camera configurations, this cell phone only has one camera next to the fingerprint sensor, which makes the Sony cell phone looks out of date. The positions of the fingerprint and camera positions on the smartphone sometimes is also confusing.